Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Saturday on August the 15th 2020. We have here the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 3 stars, and this one will be number 1354. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. I think there are 25, but let us check with 3 here. Plus 2 is 5, plus 2 is 7, plus 3 is 10, 11, plus 4 is 15, plus 2 is 17, plus 5 is 22, plus 3 is 25 as expected. So let's get started. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. How about the number in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4's are used, I can see. Alright. Let me see. 2, 1, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Yeah. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. No 7 in these 2 boxes. There's 7. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in this column, a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So in the second row, the only place for a 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7's I'm missing 1 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column. The only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7's are used. I can see.
Het houdt je mooi, hè? Doe nou. En dat moet je gewoon thuis doen. Is het Holland? Holland gewoon.
1, 2 is missing. 5 is missing. And the 8 is missing. In this row.
Lekker wassen. Dan ga ik nu lekker de dressing maken
7.
voor de worteltjes. Dat verschil. Niet al te veel.
This big square. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 8 should be there. This big square. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so in the last row, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used, I can see. Digit number 3.
Ik ga nu de bleekselderij bereiden. En ik ga 4 stengels gebruiken. 4 om
2, 1, yes.
Leid je de draderige schil van de bleekselderij. Volgens mij is het klaar. De babymais is klaar. Die moet ik even afgieten. Laat het afkoelen met koud water. Daardoor stopt het gaar.
6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this third column, 6 in the second column, so in the first column, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Digit number 4.
En nog een beetje zout. Dit gaat de oven in. Kijk uit, warm. Het brood van de onderste laag in het bordje. Daarop komen de vlees en de groentes erin.
Klaar?
Terwijl het brood aan het roosten is,
Stoppen nu.
de roomgaas dichtmaken. Ik heb gekozen voor basilicum, omdat hij ook best wel zoet is.
你成日騷擾我嘅，咁痕憎。
Kinderen houden wel van
應該去樓上，你又唔去。
Ik denk dat het nog basilicum is. En ik doe in de keukenmachine. Vergeet de stekker er niet te doen deze keer, hè, maar dan weten we het alvast. Zo.
2, 2, 2.
En natuurlijk de roomgaas.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. These 2 numbers should be the 5 and the 2. One of the missing number in this big square is a 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there.
alleen nog de aarde maken. Om die aarde te maken gebruik ik olijven.
你咪搬你嗰啲嘢走啊！今日啦
Piece of cake.
嚇，
Je doet olijven erin, je zet de perkmachine aan en draai je maar.
你唔會搬我個喎咩好個 truck 嘅咪先走啊！
2, 5, so this should be the 1 and the 9.
Ik heb gekozen voor deze twee. Ze hebben wel
These two, 1 and a 9, so 1 box left.
Ik heb gekeken.
The
Dit
5.
vormpje, deze kleine rubber, die past precies in de vorm. Dus die ga ik gebruiken om uit te snijden. Maar het luistert niet heel erg nauw, maar het is gewoon een indicatie. En bij deze, ja, even kijken.
1, 2,
Kan ik
3.
deze bij gebruiken. Dat is een
One.
heel goed maatje.
3 and 5. 1, 3 and 5.
Wat natuurlijk heel handig is om een beetje de ronde kant van het brood te gebruiken.
1, 5, 9.
Je gaat het zo inrollen van het potje. Het staat klaar.
Two,
Ik
two,
kan hier de kant beginnen. Het spreekt natuurlijk voor zich dat de hoeveelheid ingrediënten afhangt van de grootte van je tuinierpotjes.
Yeah, 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between. Only place for the 3 should be there.
Om je vingers bij af te dingen. Het is
3,
recept kun je
3,
gemak nalezen op libellen.nl.
3, 3. 3, 3, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only two places for 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only two places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Last column, the 1 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here and the 1 goes there.
喂，一係你翻屋企先啦。
One box left in this big square for the number 2. Two there. This should be a 2. 2 boxes, the 1 and the 9. With a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 1 goes there.
Oké, ik ga.
1 and the 1 and a 5. Mark them for you. 1 and a 9. Two boxes, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 1 goes there. Two and a 9. Two and a 9. 2 and a 9. We need a 1 in the first column. I see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 and a 9 in the first column. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. This should be the 9. This should be the 2. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. We have a 2 here, so this should be the 5 and this should be the 2. We have a 9 here, so this should be the 1 and this should be the 9. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 here, so this should be the 5 and this should be the 1. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 2. 5 and the 2, we have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Here goes the 2. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between this should be the 9. 1 box left in the last row for the number 5. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We have completed. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye bye.